Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm back with a new video. Accountancy. I'm explaining in the last video. I've explained you all the important questions from civics or political science. In the next video, I am explaining accountancy. In accountancy, actually the entire complete theory part I'm not explaining. According to your exams, the time is very less. So according to that, in connection to that, I have prepared the small video where you can score good marks and also pass your exam. So what I did, I have started with 5 marks questions, that is preparation of ledger account. So how to prepare the ledger account and what is the method to prepare the ledger account. Now see here, ledger account, pro forma, first of all I will explain you the pro forma of ledger account. You have to write date, particular LF amount, date, particular LF amount, debit and your credit. This is your debit side and this is your credit side. So now see here, देखो बेटा ये easy है, this concept is very easy. If you understand the concept, you can, if you be thorough with this, you can also do the next problems also, and also you can also do triple column cash book and also the subsidiary books, which is I am going to explain you in the upcoming videos. But now you listen to me this carefully and watch my entire video, complete video. If you watch, you will learn the concept. So here, first question, prepare Sudha account. Now, amount due from Sudha. First, when amount due from, if it is amount due, see here, if it is amount due from Sudha or anybody, you have to start with to balance brought on. It means the balance we have to, amount due from, somebody have to pay us, okay? Amount due to, due from. If it is amount due to, it means by balance brought on. So these two things are very, very important. And one more thing you have to remember, see here, two things, purchase, always debit, purchase return, always credit, reverse entry, okay? Sales always credit and sales return always debit. These two things, these are the important terms in accountancy you have to remember, okay? So now start. I will start the problem. To balance brought down, I said amount due from, to balance brought down 8,000. Then the next is sold goods to Sudha. Sudha account data to sales account. It means that the entry, now sold goods to Sudha means Sudha account data to sales account. So Sudha, as we are preparing Sudha account, we should not think about Sudha. We have to think about sales. So to sales, you have to debit sales here. Okay. Next, goods returned by Sudha. Now goods returned by Sudha entry. See the entry here. Sales return account data to Sudha account. To Sudha account. So we have to ignore Sudha and we have to take sales return. So by sales return 4,000. Next, cash received from Sudha. Cash received from Sudha. Cash account data to Sudha account. Cash account data to Sudha account. So we should not take Sudha. We have to take to buy cash account 3,000. Then received check from Sudha. Now see, received check from Sudha. Cash received from Sudha, cash account data to Sudha account. Same, bank account data, check when you are receiving the check, bank account data to Sudha account. So, by bank again, you have to write by bank. Okay. So, only these are the entries which you have. I will tell you in your, it is in your textbook, only in your Telugu Academy. Page number also I will tell you. And also, I will tell you the question number also. Okay, you can see that. Yeah. Page number 66 and question number 11. Okay, prepare Sudha account. If you go through that, you can easily do that. So we have finished. See, amount due from 2 balance brought down. Goods sold to Sudha, 2 sales we have to write. Goods returned by Sudha by sales return. Cash received from Sudha by cash. Check received from Sudha by bank account. Then we have to tally. We have to calculate both the sides, debit and credit. So 11 plus 8 is 19,000. This is 4 plus 7 plus 6, 13,000. So if you minus 19 from 13, you will get 6,000. So you have a small formula for this, like better I'll write here, you remember. You can write like this also. Working note number 1, total debit minus total credit. Total debit minus total credit. So your 19,000 minus 13,000 gives you how much? 6,000. That 6,000, working note number 2 also you can write easy way, that calculation of discount, because Sudha account should be settled by 10% discount. What is selling? See in the question, the last one, Sudha account settled with 10% discount. So 6,000 into 10 by 100 gives you 600. Minus that 600 from this 6,000, you will get 5,400. So you have to settle the account. Discount account 600, by bank or cash 5,400. Both the sides will be equal. In this way you have to do your ledger account. I will move on with the next problem, that is problem number 12 from the same paper, page number 66. Amount due to Swami. Just now I told that if it is amount due, you have to start with by balance brought down. By balance brought down 12,000. Goods purchased from Swami by purchases. If the entry purchase account data to, see here, I will write purchase account data to Swami account. So we have to ignore Swami and we have to take by purchases. Next, goods returned to Swami. See here, goods returned to Swami. To purchase return. Reverse the entry. You purchase the goods from Swami. Now you are returning back the goods to Swami. So entry will be Swami account data to purchase return. So you have to write to purchase return here. That is 5,000. Cash paid to Swami. Entry Swami account data to cash account. Swami account data to cash account. So you have to write to cash 16,000. Okay. Then goes again the next entry on 24th. See, purchase goods from Swami 9,000. Same by purchases. Then Swami account is settled by check with 10%. If it is check, then we have to write by bank. So see here. Again, he is telling that we have to total both the sides, which side is more and which side is less. 12,000 plus 6,000 plus 9,000 is 36,000. 36,000 minus these two amounts. Okay, 5,000 plus 16,000, that is 21,000. 37 minus 21 is 16,000. Again on that 10%, 1,600. 16,000 minus 600 is equals to 14,400. Your answer is this. Okay. Then, in this way, you have to prepare the ledger account. 2 more problems I will explain in the next video. But keep watching the videos and entire video. You please watch the entire video for your final exam. It is very helpful. It is very easy for you to learn the answer, learn the concept, and I will explain in a simple, more and more simple way so that you can score 5 out of 5 here. Okay. So from this only you will get one problem, 5 marks question. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I am going to prepare one more video. Thank you for watching.